Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just as promised, I have yet another unboxing to share with you. And this was kind of an unexpected box. This was a bag I put on pre-order, what was it, about a month to a month and a half ago. I want to say a month and a half. And lo and behold, now it's like totally available on Dooney.com and ilovedooney.com, but at a higher price, so I got a good deal. I was going to cancel this pre-order just because I've been buying so many bags, but it's my favorite color. You will recognize it. It is available on both, like I said, Dooney and ilovedooney.com, which it wasn't before, so I'm really liking how they're bringing back some stuff. Sorry for the bad lighting. I gotta put in better lighting next time. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay. Right. Okay. Box looks great. Alright. I'm kind of excited about this. This is a shape of bag that I like. Ooh, it looks great. Oh my gosh, you guys. I hope it's gonna be okay. I think they kind of smushed part of it. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. Okay. Alright, make sure you can see that. Let me get my scissors. I think I'll keep this. Okay. I like how you could just open up that bag. Alright. So, wow, this is the Dooney & Bourke Florentine Twist Strap Hobo in the color Pale Blue. And I think I'm going to keep you because this is so pretty. Let me go ahead and zip it. I like to take out the stuffing so you can kind of see, because they overstuff it, which is good. Alright. So that way you can see the shape when it is the right shape. I don't know how to explain that. Okay. Here it is. Okay. So I'm going to take this off. This is a keeper. This is gorgeous. That's weird how they pack these. Normally they don't pack these. Okay. Because I want you to see what it looks like. I know, I'm a little bit tired, can't you tell? But this is really awesome. Okay. Unpack that real quick. That way we can get it off of there. And that way you can see it. Okay. Give just a second. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Make sure you can see all that. Yay. Okay, so like I said, this is Dooney & Bourke Florentine Twist Strap Hobo in the color Pale Blue. And it's kind of a unique bag, because, and I've had this before in the color Denim until I sold it. It's got the tassels, but it has the, I love how they made the Dooney & Bourke duck plate in that kind of Sierra leather color, whatever you call it. And then this is like braided. That's kind of why they call it the twist strap. They kind of braided or twisted it. Got that on the side there. And it's really smooth. One thing I just noticed, the back, there is no, there's usually a stamp on most of the Florentine bags that say, this is genuine Florentine leather, but it basically says it's made in Florence, Italy. But if it doesn't have it, that means it's made in either America or some other place. So, made in America. The other weird thing about this bag is a difference. No feet on the bottom of the bag. There's none at all, which is really weird. I don't know why Dooney does that, but anyways, when you open it up, you have the gorgeous green suede. Yeah, you can see that. Oh, it's so nice. The inside has a zip pocket and a slip pocket lined in the same pale blue leather. And then you have 2 slip pockets in the front. And let me take this out. Comes with a dust bag. I'll take out most of it here, but it's pretty dang roomy. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I need to get out my ring light, but it's huge. And like I said, it's supposed to naturally drape like that. I think it's cute. I think I'm going to keep it. It's just a hassle trying to make returns sometimes, depending on the bag. But yeah, I love this. But yeah, like I said, the other issue I'm still having is, this is frustrating. Remember the Dooney & Bourke hydrangea drawstring I got with the wallet? I ordered that in the middle of April, and the charge showed up on my credit card. But the money has not been charged to my account at all. The money was never taken out of my credit card account, ever. And so I called customer service a couple times, and the last person I talked to, they like gave a great big sigh, and he's like, nobody told you, I don't think, but we were having issues in that month of April where, like I said, the charge would just show up and then it would just drop off. And he said then banks supposedly recognize that as, I forget the term he used, but anyways, the banks then, they take away the charge, but it won't charge till later. And he said we had several hundred customers run into the same issue. And there was another purchase I made. Remember, I didn't show on my channel yet, so, but anyways, I ordered another bag in May, mid to late May, and it was the Dooney & Bourke hydrangea small hobo, and the charge, like I said, it showed up on my account for a second, and then it never charged. And so I'm getting kind of annoyed. I mean, so anyways, I'm going to try to put aside the money, like save it up. And then once it charges, I'm going to put that money on my account. But because this is just ridiculous. So I'm going to try to order less from Dooney.com, because both of those purchases were from Dooney.com. My other purchase of the Dooney & Bourke Florentine satchel, that was from I Love Dooney, but I used Klarna. And that's been working out fine. It charged to my account. So I still don't like what Dooney & Bourke is doing. There's a lot of customer service issues. Just look it up online, look up employee reviews, and then if you look at, I know I mentioned this before, but on the Better Business Bureau's website, if you type in Dooney & Bourke or I Love Dooney, you'll read the issues that people are having. There's hundreds and hundreds of comments, and I know that somebody mentioned on my channel that don't necessarily go off by the Better Business Bureau because they are a for-profit company. True, but they are a good resource if you want to may look at some reviews, I've noticed. So, and they are similar complaints that other people in my handbag community have had with Dooney & Bourke, so I know they're legit. So if you want to look at, reviews, then I'd say it's a good resource. But I do agree, for-profit, not always good depending on what it is. So I don't know, but I'm just going to do what I can do, and hopefully Dooney & Bourke gets better at their customer service and they're charging their billing department, because I still haven't been charged. So kind of frustrating, but yeah, I think that's all I've got. She's gorgeous. She's smooth as ever. And I think I'm going to keep her. So yeah, the only thing is, and it's pretty lightweight because it doesn't have a lot of hardware on it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.